know who's having a birthday soon. You keep talking about this, Jason, but how do we actually know? Simple. Facebook tells us. Say what? Yeah. And the cool part about this, which again, I'm almost embarrassed to share this with you. You don't have to be an expert to do this. If you just need to know where to click. I've had meetings with like Facebook gurus that spend tons of money and they know all this high-level Facebook data stuff that I have no clue. And I presented, this method one time and I was done in like 5 minutes. They're like, well, what about the ad fatigue? What about, and they're going over all these technical terms. I still don't know to this day. And I was like, I don't know. I just click this one button and it drives in customers. They're like, no. You don't understand, Jason. I said, no, you don't understand. I click a button and that's it. So if you can click upcoming birthday, Facebook will show ads only to people who are having a birthday within 1 week. This is important. Pay attention. Facebook will show an ad to people who are having a birthday within 1 week, the next 7 days. And every 7 days, the audience of who that birthday ad will show to, it changes to the next audience of people who are celebrating a birthday that week. Why is this important? I'll go over it in a moment. We target people within a few mile radius around your client's business, and that's all we do Facebook related. Simple, right? It's super simple. So I mentioned to you a slide or two ago, every 7 days, the audience changes, right? So the reason why this is important is because we'll always reach new people for the business. Think about it as perpetual advertising. It's the billboard that never sleeps. It's 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Imagine being able to help your client show their business 365 days a year. The ad never gets ad fatigue. People never get tired of seeing it because the ad only shows for 7 days, one time a year. So that's how you can bring in dozens, even hundreds of customers to a local business for just $5 a day. You want to know something that's really cool? If you look back on this ad here, this is for a Denny's restaurant. Look at the social stats. Like this is when we first launched the ad. It reached 32,916 people, 103 shares, 595 comments. And the thing is, this is why we've had an ad like this running since 2015, and we never have to change it. The social proof, the likes, the engagement, the shares, it just keeps growing. And the reason why you're getting paid month after month, because you're delivering customers month after month, week after week, right? So stay with me till the end, and you'll see how you can get my done for you Facebook ads pack plus the ad that I just shown you, copy and paste ad for even different businesses. So you're probably thinking, all right, Jason, that seems easy, but what's next? What happens when they click the ad? I'm going to show you. Is this good thus far? Yes, this is good, pretty good? Pretty good thus far? Absolutely. So what happens when they click the ad? We got two options, okay? I need you to participate in this game show. Option one, you can get people to call the business. Option two, let automation do the work. We ain't got time for option one. We ain't got time. What we're going to do is we're going to let automation do the work, folks. You got it right. Ding, 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 ding. So I showed you this form earlier, right? And you're like, okay, whatever. That looks like it's just a simple form. You collect a name, email, birthday. You got something on there that says, when do you want to come, like a reservation date and around what time? Okay, whatevs, right? But guess what? This is a smart form. And it's crucial for success in this method because this is the glue that drives customers into your client's business. How, Jason? And with the tool that I developed, you can create a smart form like this in just a few clicks. This smart form sends personalized, automated emails and text messages to people that request a birthday coupon. And in these